What's up mga katama? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Laklakan Vlog. Alright guys, so tonight, another recipe na naman ang ibabahagi ko sa inyo. At gagawa tayo ng Pinoy version of Piña Colada. So I'm sure all of you are excited. Simulan na natin to. Alright guys, so the following ingredients are white rum. Gagamit tayo ng Zabana rum. Any brand pwede nating gamitin. Any white rum. Next is fresh pineapple, sugar syrup, coconut milk, and Alaska evaporada milk. So guys, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Simulan na natin to. Alright guys, so let's start the mixing. So 2 shots of Zabana rum, white rum, or 2 jigger, 60 ml. 30, another shot, 30, so 2 shots. Next is sugar syrup, so 30 ml. Next is coconut milk, 15 ml. 15 ml of coconut milk. And fresh milk, 30 ml, or Alaska evaporada, 30 ml. Alright, and pineapple. Alright, hindi po ito yung guys, nag-prep na tayo. So 1/4, so ito yung 1 whole small size of pineapple. Hatiin natin siya sa 4. So 1/4 slice. Ayan, so kakamayin na natin guys. So 1/4 slice of pineapple and scoop of ice. So 1.5 scoop and blend. One more. Okay. So get the glass and alright, so we have our Pinoy version of Piña Colada, garnished with slice of pineapple or pineapple spear with umbrella, and then lagyan natin ng pineapple leaves to ayan, to decorate lang, and straw. Okay guys, so there you have it. We have our Pinoy version of our Piña Colada.